How to start a free trial of CrowdStrike Falcon. CrowdStrike offers a 15-day free trial of its Falcon platform, providing access to next-generation antivirus, NGAV, and endpoint protection solutions. To begin your trial, follow these steps. Step 1. Sign up for the free trial. Visit the CrowdStrike Falcon free trial page, click on the Start Free Trial button. Complete the registration form with your business email address, full name, company name, and phone number. Step 2. Await approval. After submitting your information, allow up to 24 hours for your trial request to be processed. You will receive an email from falcon@crowdstrike.com confirming your trial activation. Step 3. Activate your account. Follow the instructions in the confirmation email to activate your account. Bookmark the login URL for easy access during your trial period. Step 4. Choose your interface. Upon logging in, select between Main View, a simplified interface suitable for non-technical users. Technical View offers in-depth features for advanced users. Step 5. Install the Falcon sensor. Before installation, uninstall or disable any existing antivirus solutions to prevent conflicts. Within the Falcon console, access the Trial Resource Center for installation guides. Download and install the Falcon sensor on your endpoints. Ensure all devices are connected to the internet during installation for proper setup. Step 6. Explore additional modules. Your trial includes access to Falcon Prevent Next Generation Antivirus, Falcon Device Control, USB Device Management, Falcon for Mobile, Mobile Device Protection. To test additional modules, navigate to the CrowdStrike store within the console. Select desired modules and activate their trials. Step 7. Test the platform. Utilize the virtual malware lab to safely test malware samples and advanced attack techniques. Monitor how Falcon Prevent detects and mitigates threats in real time. Managing your subscription. To continue using CrowdStrike Falcon after the trial, log into your account and select a subscription plan that suits your needs. If you require assistance or have questions during your trial, contact the trial team at falconitrial@crowdstrike.com. By following these steps, you can effectively evaluate CrowdStrike Falcon's capabilities and determine if it aligns with your organization's security requirements.